Hi, I'm Jens, this is Tommy, and we would like to tell you something about the new Superheat Tuner app. Why do we actually make this app?
Thank you, Jens. Yeah, Danfoss have decided to make this app to make it easier for our contractors and installers to adjust the superheat, to give them a guide how much and what way should it be turned when you are optimizing your superheat.
Okay, but why do we actually tune the superheat?
Yeah, that's also a very good question. We tune the superheat on a refrigerant plant to optimize on the energy efficiency. So the better we hit the target, the more or the less energy you use and the more you optimize the superheat.
Okay, so what data do we need in order to do this tuning?
It depends a little bit on the application, but pretty much you will need a kind of room temperature or brine inlet temperature depending on the system, and you will need some evaporating and temperature on the evaporator, pressures on the evaporator to calculate the superheat. And with these information, then we have made some algorithms that will suggest an optimized superheat setting.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. When tuning the superheat, you tighten or loosen the spring that controls the signal from the bulb sensor. And in that way, you can control the liquid front of the evaporating refrigerant and thereby utilize the full capacity of the evaporator and still avoid liquid flow back to the compressor. We will demonstrate the use of the TXV Superheat Tuner on a heat pump in our laboratory. You open the app on your smartphone and click the blue bar at the bottom to make a new tuning. First, you enter the application inlet temperature. In this case, it'll be the temperature of the brine inlet to the plate heat exchanger. In this case, the inlet temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Select the valve and refrigerant. Measure and enter the evaporation pressure or temperature. Here it's minus 12 degrees Celsius. The corresponding pressure will be calculated on the fly. Enter the measured suction temperature. The app will calculate the current and the optimum superheat and tell you how to adjust the superheat adjustment screw. You will need to repeat the procedure to be sure the setting is correct.